Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be studying geometry chapter number 1, similarity. In this I am going to explain you the ratio of areas of two triangle. So first we have to prove the theorem. Along with the theorems I am going to explain you all the properties so that it will be easy for you all to understand what actually we have to do in practice set number 1.1. So let's start. The statement for ratios of areas of two triangles states that ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of product of their base and corresponding height. Now what does this mean? Base, this is base and this is supposed to be the height. Okay, so you'll have to remember what is base and height of a triangle. Now what we have to prove, what has been given first we have to write. So given is two triangles, that is ABC, alright, and XYZ, in which segment AM is perpendicular to BC. Now what does perpendicular means? Perpendicular means this. Okay, so when a perpendicular is drawn, it divides the base into two equal parts, plus it has 90-degree wala angle, which is already been given in the theorem. Alright, so this we have to write such that BMC, that is BM and C, and segment X N is perpendicular to side YZ such that Y and Z is N is in between. So this is the X and N perpendicular to YZ, in which Y, N and Z are corresponding to each other. Okay, so this is what has been given. Two triangles, the perpendicular we have stated, and showing that M and N is between YZ and BC. Okay, so this is given. Now what we have to prove according to the statement, the ratios of areas of two triangle is equal to the ratio of the product of the bases and corresponding height. Product means multiplication, remember. Multiplication of what? Base and height. Okay. So area of triangle, we will first take area of triangle. This is what we have to prove. So area of triangle ABC is equal to BC, that is base, into height, that is AM. Same is with XYZ, triangle XYZ, its base is YZ into XN. Got it? So this we have to prove. So for that we have to use the formula. Area of any triangle is equal to, of any triangle, or area of triangle is supposed to be half into base into height. This is the area. So write the area of first triangle, half, base is BC, height is AM, that we have to write. Similarly for triangle XYZ also we have to write it in the same way using the formula half into base into height. Base is YZ, height is XN. Now you all have to combine 1 and 2. Matlab this 1 and 2 you all have to combine together and then find the answer that is meant to be proved. So what we have written, area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height, that is BC and AM. XYZ triangle, half into base into height, YZ into XN. Alright, this thing we have, right? So half and half will get cancelled. What is going to left? That is going to be proved. So it is very easy formula or easy theorem you all can say, which is very easy to understand also. Only the basic formula, that is area of the triangle, you all have to use so that it will be easily proved to you all. The statement is the ratio of area of triangle is equal to the ratio of the product of the base and corresponding height. So this thing you all have to remember, or this thing, area of ratio of area of two triangle, any of these, and the same thing you all have to write for both of them. Okay, so this is what is to be proved. Next is the activity that has been given according to the theorem that we have to use over here. Now see, mixed type of a triangle is been given to you all. Okay, in that you all have to fill in the blanks. Means only the triangles that are being the arcs, that only you all have to write. You all don't have to write for everything. So over here, area of triangle ABC. Okay, so height is going to be AR and BC is going to be the base. Okay, and in triangle APQ, so AP and Q, same thing. Height is going to be the same. base will change. Okay, so base is going to be PQ and height is going to be AR. So the only thing you all have to remember while proving the ratios of areas of any two triangle is base and height. Okay, so according to the triangle, the base and height is going to keep on changing. So this is going to be the base and this is going to be the height of ABC, and APQ is going to be, base is PQ and height is AR. Now you will see two things are similar, means AR and AR are similar. So what is left? BC upon PQ. So these kind of properties also you all have to prove, that prove BC upon PQ. So for this also you all have to do the same thing and write the same statement that we have just done now. Okay, now the second thing that you all can do is same, using the same property. This kind of diagram has been given and they have asked for area of triangle LMN. So LMN. Okay, so MN is going to be the base and height is going to be LP. Next is DMN. DMN. So base is going to be MN and height is going to be DQ. So understood, everywhere you all have to use the same thing. First base into height. Half to cancel ho gaya. While proving the theorem we have shown that we have to only use base and height. Okay, base into height. So base and height according to the given triangle you all have to write, and then whatever is going to be similar, that is going to be reduced, and LP upon DQ is being proved. Okay, so area is going to be LP upon DQ for both the respective triangles. Next, when N is the midpoint of the segment AB. See, this is the midpoint. It is not perpendicular. Okay, remember the difference between a perpendicular gives you the 90-degree wala angle, whereas midpoint only bisects the base into two equal parts. It is not having a 90-degree wala angle. Remember this. Even in digest they have given the explanation, reason they have given. We will study it now कि क्या changes होते हैं when the midpoint is been given and perpendicular is not been given. This is very important for you all to remember. Other sums are equal and similar, but this one is different, so you all have to remember, because the teacher might give this for fill in the blanks also for 1 or 2 marks as well. So M is the midpoint. Now only I have explained midpoint means it only divides the base into two equal parts. It is not having a 90-degree wala angle. It is not there. So segment AB and segment CM. A, B and CM is the median of triangle A, B and C. Okay, now area of triangle, two triangles are forming AMC. AMC and BMC. BMC. Okay, now over here you will see both the triangles is having CM in it. Okay, matlab this is going to be similar for both of them. So therefore AM upon BM is going to be your answer, which is equal to 1. Now only I have explained midpoint is going to divide the segment AB into two parts. So matlab this is going to be similar. Therefore their value is also going to be the same, because it is going to form AM only. So instead of BM you all can write AM, which is equal to 1. Now why we have to write this, they have explained you all. So the reason is triangle AMC and BMC are of equal base. See, base is equal. Okay, they're having the same base, which is AM is equal to MB. Also they have a common vertex C. C is also common. Okay, so two things are common, and the bases AM and MB lie on the same line AB. They are of equal height. So height is also similar, that I have shown you all now only. Therefore they are of equal height. So when the height is equal, when the height is same, there are obviously the heights are also going to be similar. Therefore area of AMC and BMC are equal to base and height. So it is going to have the value of 1:1. So these are the fill in the blanks property on your page number 3 of your textbook that I have explained you all along with the theorem. If you all are not able to understand the theorem, do let me know in the comment section. It is very easy theorem, children, and might be asked for 2 marks. Alright, so the statement or this thing can be asked as the question, and then you all have to follow the theorem till here. Okay, this thing you all have to prove. 1, 2 or 3 things. Any of these will be given. Prove this, or write the ratios of areas of two triangles, or the statement will be given ratios of areas of two triangle is equal to the ratio of the product of the bases and corresponding height. So any of these 3 questions will be given to you all, and you all have to prove the same thing, which is very easy. You all have to only write the areas of the given two triangles according to their names. You all have to define it. It is also being given on page number 1 of your textbook. This is the digest that I am referring to, and if you all are finding anything difficult while solving or understanding, let me know in the comment section. After this, I have followed with practice set number 1.1, in which I have explained you all the properties. The video of that, the link of that video will be given in the description box. You all can go and watch it. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.